I'm going to draw the graph of this exponential function 3 to the power x. To draw the graph, you need to make a table. For the x values, take 0 as one of the values and take two numbers before 0. You can take -1, -2 and two numbers after 0. You can take 1 and 2. Now substitute -2 for x. You get 3 to the -2. This is equal to 1 over 3 to the positive 2. So that is 1 over 9. 3 to the second is 9. Now you have a point -2, 1 over 9. Now substitute x is equal to -1. You get 3 to the -1. So that is equal to 1 over 3 to the positive 1 is equal to 1 over 3. So -1, 1 over 3. Now substitute x is equal to 0. You get 3 to the 0. That is equal to 1. 0, 1. Now put x is equal to 1. You get 3 to the 1. So that is 3. So 1 comma 3. Now x is 2. 3 to the second. So that is 9. So 2 comma 9. Now you need to draw the graph of these points. So -2, 1 over 9. 1 over 9 is close to 0.1. And 1 over 3 is close to 0.3. So -2, 0.1. So that is somewhere here. -1, 0.3. So that is somewhere here. Now 0, 1. So here. 1 comma 3. 1, 3 here. 2 comma 9. 2, 9. 2, 9. Now you need to draw a line through these points. So you see here, this graph never crosses the x-axis. As the x decreases, the graph getting closer and closer to the x-axis. Closer and closer to the x-axis. And finally, it touches the x-axis at -infinity. Now I am going to draw the graph of this exponential function. Let us make a table. For the x, take 0 as one of the values and take two numbers before 0 and two numbers after 0. You can take -1, -2, 1, 2. Now substitute -2 for x. You get 2 divided by 5, -2. So this is equal to, make this positive by taking the reciprocal. So 5 divided by 2, positive 2. This is equal to 5 squared, 25, 2 squared, 4. Now put x is equal to -1. 2 divided by 5, -1. This is equal to, take the reciprocal, 5 divided by 2, this is positive now. This is equal to 5 over 2. Now put x is equal to 0, you get 2 divided by 5, 0. This is equal to 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Now put x is equal to 1, 2 divided by 5, 1. So this is equal to 2 over 5. Now put x is equal to 2. You get this. This is equal to 2 squared, 4, 5 squared, 25. So we have -2, 25 over 4. -1, 5 over 2. 0, 1. 1, 2 over 5. 2, 4 divided by 25. Now you need to draw the graph of these points. 25 divided by 4 is close to 6.3. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. 4 divided by 25 is 0.2. Negative 2, 6.3. So somewhere here. Negative 1, 2.5 is here. 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0.4 is somewhere here. 2, 0.2 is here. Now you need to draw a line through these points. So this is the graph. You see here, this graph never crosses the x-axis. As the x values increases, the graph is getting closer to the x-axis and it touches the x-axis at positive infinity. Now I am going to draw the graph of this logarithmic function. To draw the graph of a logarithmic function, you need to write the inverse of the function. So for this function, the inverse is to the base 3 and put this as the exponent. This is the inverse of this logarithmic function. Now you need to make a table for this exponential function. Take 0 as one of the x values and take 91, 92, two values before 0 and two numbers after 0. You can take 1 and 2. Now put x is equal to 92, you get 3 to the 92, that is 1 over 3 to the positive 2 is 1 over 3 to the second, 3 squared is 9. So y is 1 over 9. Now put x is equal to 91, you get 3 to the 91, so that is equal to 1 over 3 to the positive 1, that is 1 over 3. Put this here. Now x is 0, put x equal to 0, you get 3 to the 0, that is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Put this here. Now x is 1, 3 to the 1, that is 3. Put here. Now 2, 3 to the second. So this is equal to 9. So write this here. So now you need to switch x and y. Make a table. This y becomes x and this x becomes y. So 1 over 3, 91, 1, 0, 3, 1, 9, 2. Now this table represents this logarithmic function. So you need to draw the graph for this table. So the x comma y values are 1 over 9, 92, 1 over 3, 91, 1, 0, 3, 1, 9, 2. Now make a graph for these points. So these are the points. 1 over 9 is close to 0.1. 1 over 3 is close to 0.3. So 0.1, negative 2. 0.1 is close to 0. So somewhere here. And negative 2. So here. 0.3, negative 1. 0.3, somewhere here, negative 1. 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 0, that is this. 3 comma 1, 3, 1. Now 9, 2. 9, 2. Draw a line through these points. You see here, this graph never crosses the y-axis. It is close to the y-axis, but it never crosses the y-axis. So this is the graph for this logarithmic function.